Guys, and welcome back to another video, and we have Hawks X Raider part 10. This is on Wattpad by Unawkward Illness, Hawks X female listener. So let's get into it. This chapter is called Big Oof. Nobody's POV. Mina prances around Trump fan. She may have just exposed two heroes, one underground and one normal. When each of the students check their phone, they see new notifications, including the video that Mina posted. Unknowist to them, their teacher might lose her job. Ryan, get your dumb ass in here! Heavens no, you weren't dumb. It was your student, Mina. That's dumb. I'm here, boss. You drag it out, aggravating him more. Everyone fucking knows who you are, and you are now. You literally cannot go back to being an underground hero, because everyone fucking knows. They know everything. Fucking slut. Why? Ouch, that hurt. Next time to yell back you. What? Next. Ouch, that hurt. Time to yell back, you guess. Save some skin at least. Well, it isn't my fucking fault. Hawks keeps hunting me. If he found me in a district manner, it'd be fine. Fucking no. And don't call me a slut, you fat cunt ass. I've seen you with more women and vodka bottles than actual friends. Fuck you. Winding down from that, you notice your boss filing out a form. I want you out of my agency now. I want you out of my agency now. I want you out of my agency now, he muttered under your breath, marking him down to his last words, slamming the paper onto the desk. You, all of a sudden, have to be and realize there's no good spot to pop a squat. There's a good spot to pop a squat in his filing cabinet. Moving some papers in his big-ass cabinet, you squat against the wall, spray piss everywhere. In a couple days, it will stink. A couple weeks, everybody will leave. Serves them right. Strolling out after you finish, you realize you're gonna have to work as a daytime hero. Who's gonna be there? Hawks is. Alright guys, I'm sorry that this chapter was so short, so we have Big Oof by the chapter 10 Big Oof. So I hope you enjoy. I'm really gonna regret it if I find out this is not chapter 10, but whatever. Bye guys.